Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your saved data on FaceTune, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on screen, where you can see the settings option at the top right corner of the dashboard. Simply tap on that option and now you can see the another section pops out and you can see the projects option. So simply select that one and you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see two options: delete all video projects and another is delete all photo projects. So you can choose any of them according to your wants, or you can choose both, and yeah, you'll be able to delete it successfully. So basically this is how you can delete saved data on FaceTune. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.